morning, and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair, where we'll be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.1% in the last session. Stochastic has shifted sharply into the positive zone. Bitcoin has added 5.7% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI has moved sharply into the negative area. The price of gold has added 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator has collapsed into neutral territory. The price of crude oil has gained 1.1% in the last session. The ATR has heated up and is now giving a high volatility signal.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Crude oil inventories at the Cushing storage hub are approaching the high levels seen in April, which sent WTI crude prices into negative territory. Britain and Canada struck a rollover trade deal to protect the flow of $27 billion worth of goods and services between them after Brexit. The US dollar lost to the euro as the number one currency used for global payments for the first time in nearly 8 years.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The German manufacturing PMI will be released at 8:30 GMT, the German services PMI at 8:30 GMT, the Eurozone's market composite PMI at 900 GMT, the Eurozone's services PMI at 900 GMT, the U.S. Chicago Fed national activity at 13:30 GMT, and the U.S. manufacturing PMI at 14:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.